info, I'm using Oppo Reno 10X zoom, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it and look for the toggle, which for me looks to be right over here. So once you find your toggle, you can hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings, and in here you can enable it. So this is basically equivalent of just pressing the toggle right here. As you can see, boom, it just turned on. Then we have schedule, so you can set up a schedule and it will turn on and off automatically, and the provided time and day of the week that you will set up. We have silent media when Do Not Disturb mode is on, and then we have some exceptions, so you can go through all these settings, customize them to your liking, and from there you can just close it and never come back to this section ever again. And when you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, find the toggle, tap on it, and there we go. It's now enabled, and that's about it. And if you're using a schedule, you don't need to enable it from here. So you don't need to tap on this. All you need to do is make sure that the schedule right here has turned on instead. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.